Alright guys, so the next segment of this, I'm going to show you guys the Screen Innovations samples using the Sony 695 so that you can see the image quality differences. So let me get to a particular part where we can really focus in. I'm using Mission Impossible. So let's just use this as an example. There's some pretty dramatic color differences here. You got some good black levels as well as some really rich whites. This is with the lights on. I'm going to show you the black diamond material. You can see how it really pulls out the contrast in the picture versus like pure gray 0.85. Not a bad picture, just not quite as rich as what you can get with the black diamond. Now, let me show you the Black Diamond 1.4. And the Slate 0.8. Black Diamond 1.4 and the Slate 0.8. Now, let's do the Slate 0.8 and the Slate 1.2. Slightly brighter image on the 1.2. Now let's do like a Slate 1.2, which is what Screen Innovations recommends on the Slate with a white screen. Get a very bright image, just not quite as rich in color. Now let's kill the lights, because that makes a huge difference. This is the Black Diamond 1.4 versus a white screen. You get a really bright white on the white screen. You get more of a gray color on the Black Diamond. But in the blacks, the Black Diamond is really pulling out the contrast. And that's the Black Diamond 1.4. Let me show you the Black Diamond 0.8. Black Diamond 0.8 and white. I would say the 0.8 is just too dark. It's almost an unnatural color white with this type of projector. So we've done Black Diamond 0.8 and 1.4. We've done the white. We've done the gray. Let's do the Slate 1.2 and the Slate 0.8, because I get a lot of questions about those two in conjunction with the Sony projector. So I have the 0.2 on the bottom and I have the 0.8 on top. Yeah, I would say 1.2 is the way to go with the lower lumen count. Now the 1.2 is on top. Pretty much the same contrast just a little bit brighter imaging. Alright guys, well, this is the samples for Screen Innovations for all their different types of screens with the Sony 695. We have the full Sony lineup as well as JVC and all of the Screen Innovation screens available. They're all custom order now. It seems, from my opinion, the Slate 1.2 or the Black Diamond 1.4 are going to give you the absolute richest colors in terms of contrast, especially if there's any ambient light in the room. But if you're going to be using it in a dedicated theater room with zero light and you just want a nice bright image, the white screen may not be a bad way to go, and it's extremely affordable. So, I mean, there's pros and cons to all of these screens. What I'm really learning as I'm getting into depth between every single variation, there's not many chances where I have the ability to go in and show you guys so many different variations and so many different types of projectors. So if you guys would like to purchase a projector or any of these Screen Innovation screens, we have all of the different options available. Cinescope, 16:9, Black Diamond, Slate, White, Zero Edge, fixed frame, whatever you want. So make sure to give us a call or shoot us a text or email if you'd like to purchase. If you'd like us to install it for you and you're in Dallas, we'd be happy to do that as well. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.